Hi everyone, this is the end result and you're gonna see the tutorial of how I created this look. I am Missy B London. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is how I started off. I use clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. The type of hair it was, natural hair, kinky coarse clip-ins, 18 inches altogether. As you can see here, I have used the clip-ins that has 2 clips and I've used it at the front of my head. Well, at the middle where the ponytail is, and I made it lay down to make it look like a fringe on my head. This is very reverse for me because I'm looking at this now and I'm laying it on the left hand side, but actually I laid the fringe on the right hand side. But hey, cameras, innit? I'm using a pin to make it secure and so the wind doesn't fly it away, blow it away, fly it away, I don't know. But later on I adjust it again because I'm just doing an improv video, being creative with these hair clips. It's been a long time, literally. I'm trying to get my creative juices flowing again. But anyway, let's continue with the video. How are you? Hope you're doing good. It's this festive season of the year. We're in December now. Literally, I just want this month to like be over with and roll on to the next month. This clip-in has 5. This weft has 5 clip-ins, and I wrap it around the bun at the top of my head. I make sure to secure it with the first one. I'm laughing, the struggle is real, but it's not too hard. This video only took like 8 minutes to create. I sped it up a little bit for this video, but it didn't take too long. So I made sure the first is secure on my ponytail. Then I just wrap it around the bun or the ponytail, and the end clip I make sure that is secure, which I'm doing right now because it's at the back of my head and you can't see it. I didn't twist around, but I'm making sure that is secure at the back of my head, or back of the ponytail, shall I say. And I'm just like fluffing it with my hands. I'm not really detangling, I'm just running my hands down the hair. And then I realize, let me get a little bit of that front section and wrap it around the ponytail to disguise the fact that it is a clip-in and not my real hair. And that's what I do. I'm just laughing. The mirror is at the side. If my eyes look a bit funny, I'm looking at the side because the camera is in front and the mirror is at the side. It's very technical, you know, when you're recording videos, where the camera is, where the mirror is, and all these other stuff. But yeah, that little bit there, look what I do. I wrap it around the ponytail or the bun, whatever one you want to call it, but I call it a ponytail or a bun, whatever comes to my mind, innit? But I wrap it around and I get a bobby pin, another bobby pin, to secure it. Yay. There you go, I show it to the camera. I mean, yes, I have created a similar style to this many months ago, but this is like a little different. Yep, it's all secure. I'm just kind of like fluffing it a little bit. The hair looks real, like it literally could be my hair, innit? Natural hair texture, for real. It is natural hair anyway. But yeah, what do you think? Quick style. I need to create more tutorial videos when I have time, but those videos are coming and getting back into the gist of things. Yeah, I'm just being fussy there, you know, for real. I couldn't just let the hair be. I'm being fussy, literally. But yeah. Yeah, I'm just watching myself in this voiceover in the video, shall I say. See there, you can't tell. Oh, yeah, you can't tell that it's a weft of hair, shall I say. And there, I finished. What do you think? It's a quick, simple style. Just needed 2 clip-ins and there you go. Thank you for watching. Like I said, there'll be more tutorial videos coming soon of me using these clip-ins from To All My Black Girls natural kinky coarse texture 18 inches. I've got a discount code below. Check the description box as well, or in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And there I am showing the box that it comes in. And thank you for returning as well, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.